Hi folks, welcome to another video. This is a new project that we've got in. It's from my mate Louis. This is Louis, say hi.
Bonjour.
This is a little Vespa. It's actually for Louis's mum, so I'll let him sort of talk you through it.
Yeah, happy days. So this is a Vespa 150 VBA, I believe. I could be wrong, someone up there might actually say it's wrong, but it was an Indian import and it's actually an ex-army Indian moped. You know, so where we got tanks, they got mopeds, or scooters, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, so basically we're going to try to restore it because it's crusty.
Crusty is, yeah.
It's crusty.
Yeah, it's crusty. So basically the plan with this is, as I say, it's for Louis's mum. So the idea is I'm going to teach him how to do it, he's going to do it. The idea would be, one, you get to see the completed bike, but hopefully me teaching him will help some of you go through, you know, any project that you're doing. You know, there's going to be a lot of panel making, some spraying, primering, stuff like that. So we'll go through everything.
Swearing and anger.
Yeah, maybe some swearing and some
pain.
Abuse.
There is going to be abuse.
So should we have a look at some of the crusty bits?
Yeah, I can also do some crusty bits.
The main issue that we've got on this is obviously the frame here. It's been repaired quite, with that shit. For some reason we've got a bleach bowl. We believe it's a bleach bowl.
I personally will send a packet of Skittles to whoever can tell me what that is.
Or what it's supposed to be. We have to say that this is actually how we've got the bike. We've never seen it completed. As you see, you've got some dodgy welds. It looks like it's been gas welded. So this is the main bit that we need to sort of address. But we've also got some bits around here. And there's some dodgy bits around here. Yeah, most of this is dodgy repairs at the minute. Should we flip this over?
Yeah. At the moment then, hang on a minute, there's this weird thing that sticks into. Why would they design it like this? I would blame the Italians, but because it's made in India.
There you go.
I believe that was one of the things with these. Some were made in Italy, and then a company called Barger, I believe. Barger? I might be saying that wrong. But they make these, which is great. Which means that for years you can still get bits afterwards. I can't remember how much you said it cost. I believe it was around about the £500 mark to get this imported over.
Well, we'll talk about that on camera in a minute. Just get through this little bit. As you've seen from the top, you know, it's got some real bad welding here. It's just been plated over plates. You know, it's equally as bad there. Just by looking at it, it looks like it's been cut here. It's definitely been cut here, so we need to work out what's going on here. And then most of it's just crustiness, to be quite honest with you. You know, it's been welded in here, it's had little plates done. And then the wrist spats are pretty much the same. So, yeah, just had got a dodgy repair here. And then, yeah, sort of the same. Yeah, it's an old army bike, so it was just kept running rather than looked after. Yeah, as you can see, you know, just mostly shit welds. All of the panels are about the same from what we've got here at the minute. But, you know, this is going to be a learning curve and a slow process for Louis. There is a bit of history to the bike. Do you want to go through what you know so far?
All I know is that this is a VBA, because I believe that's the chassis, as it were, the shell.
Yeah.
I don't actually know the technical term for that.
I mean, sort of like, because we mentioned that, I mean, like sort of how it come over, how it...
This wasn't actually made in Italy. I believe there's certain models I don't actually know, but I know this one was made in India.
Yeah.
So certain ones were made in India because they were produced long after they stopped producing them wherever else.
Yeah. Do you know the year on this?
1960, I believe. It's got to be around about there. I'll find out next time definitely what it is. But
yeah.
All I know is that it was an actual Indian Army bike, and my mum acquired it however she acquired it. I have no idea.
So for an introduction to a bike, we're doing well. We have no information other than
Pretty much.
we have a bike and
I mean, it's green.
It's green. It is.
And it's crusty.
It's baby shit green.
It you know, when you tap it, it sounds like you're eating, you know, wheat loaves.
Yeah.
It's wheat noises. But I don't know. That's literally all I know. There'll be someone out there now screaming.
Yeah.
Screaming.
What are these two absolute fucking morons doing?
Yeah, comments, you know. Someone's going to give us abuse.
Oh yeah, it's good. I like abuse.
Yeah, and we're going to get
Abuse is good. More than happy to comment.
But that's probably about it. Apart from that, just lots of swearing, burning, anger.
Well, we'll get to that because we need to
Yeah.
start making things, start teaching you things.
Yeah, it should be
Show you
fun.
what a hammer is.
That's what we worry about. It's things that cause fires. Fire bad.
Yeah, but we're a long way off that. We
That's
need
good.
to start making things
That's good.
before we can cut and weld.
Safety first.
Safety.
Safety. Yeah, but it should be good. That's probably this.
Yeah, we'll try and get as many repair panels as we can. Hopefully we can get some repair panels for the set of it.
Well, I believe you can buy all the panels, but I believe the troublesome bit is
The bit that we really need.
this bit in the middle, because obviously it's a structural thing, I believe. So I don't understand. I mean, I don't know whether they chopped that from another one and stuck it in, or whether someone just went mad with a hammer. I have no idea.
See, to me that does look like it was a purchased panel, but who knows?
Right. There'll be someone out there, hopefully, after the abuse in the comments, someone will actually go, look.
Ta-da!
Yeah, it'll just appear. Or there'll be someone trying to sell us one for like £900. I've got one. We've got one side though. Great. But yeah, I suppose, yeah, we'll just have to see what happens.
So, yeah, I mean, the main plan of this is like to teach Louis how to sort of do the work, but it's also to surprise his mum as well. It was supposed to be sort of done by her partner, but that's sort of been sort of put to the side for the minute. So we basically stole it, didn't we?
Yeah, basically.
Robbed it out of the garage, and we're going to try and get it done. So we're going to try and sneakily. This is why we haven't got that much information on it, because we can't really go asking. But we're going to try and surprise her. We're going to try and do some nice paintwork on it. Try and find out what she wants, and yeah, hopefully at the end of all this, he will know how to do some fabrication stuff. Hopefully you will learn some stuff by me teaching him, and there'll be a cool little Vespa to show.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Right.
Yeah.
Either that, or by the end of it, we'll say, don't buy one. Buy a cow.
Yeah, just don't bother. No.
But hopefully it's all good. But yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah. One thing I will say is this is going to be completely Patreon only until the project's completed. You know, only this intro is going to be on YouTube. So go over to Patreon, as and when we're doing bits and bobs, there'll be a new video. So thanks for watching, hope you like it. If you do like it, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up. When you do subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're informed of all the videos as I'm doing them. So you can follow me on social media, all the links will be at the end. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.
Don't follow me, it's stalking. And it's illegal.